Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most delicious salmon recipe. Now if this is your first time watching any of my videos, please leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. This is my salmon and I'm going to season this salmon now and I'm going to cook it tomorrow. So firstly I'm gonna add some dry jerk seasoning. This is some jerk seasoning paste. This here is some chopped garlic. And I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to the salmon. What I do now is just to mix this up, just mix it up. Of course, this salmon was washed and cleaned properly previously. I must say, whenever you're cooking, make sure that your food is always clean before you start cooking. Right, so this is now finished. All I'm gonna do now is to wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and then tomorrow I'll do the rest. So I'm going to start to cook my salmon, and I'm gonna lightly coat each fillet with some flour. Okay, so my salmon is now fried in the oil. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to prepare the sauce. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to recycle some of the oil I've just used to fry the salmon in this pan here to make my sauce. I'm not going to put a lot of oil, maybe about four spoonfuls. Yeah. Now this is some chopped onions. Just gonna add this in the pot. This is some leeks. Just gonna add this as well. What I have here is some chopped garlic. This was the garlic I used to season the salmon earlier. I'm not going to throw this away, I'm just going to use it as well. Here I have some green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, and this is a pointed red pepper. What I have here is some fresh thyme, some spring onions, and some green chili. The green chilies are very hot. Now this will be my secret ingredient. This is pineapple. Yes, this is pineapple. It's about half a pineapple, and I'm slice them in a small like the small semicircle or however you call this. Just some small slices. I'm going to add this in the pan as well. Now that this is going down nicely, I'm going to add some water. This is some salt, not a lot. I'm also going to add a bit of honey. This is some ketchup, not a lot, but just gonna add some ketchup to this. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of brown sauce. Now that this is cooking down really nicely, this is some gravy granules. I'm just gonna add it to the mixture to get it a bit, or to get it thickened a bit. What I'm gonna do now is just to add the salmon fillet in the pot here. This is now finished, and I'm just gonna dish out some and have a taste. This looks absolutely delicious. I'm having this with some mashed potato and broccoli. As you can see, I'm really enjoying this meal. This is absolutely delicious. Salmon really tastes juicy and nice. That pineapple, you know, with the juice. Wow. Please remember, when you watch my videos, leave a comment to introduce yourself. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.